Hi YouTube, I'm here with Amy.
Hi.
And we are at LAX International Airport.
I need to tell you guys something. If you guys know the Dobo brothers, I saw Cyrus and his girlfriend in the airport, and I'm so happy because they're holding their puppy.
Okay,
And I'm so happy I saw them.
Alright, so
Hey, can we get something?
wait. So, what's your name?
My name is Amy, and my last name is Lopez, and my middle name is Amanda.
And what are you doing today, Amy?
I'm going to Las Vegas with my boy.
And what are you gonna do in Las Vegas? You gonna gamble? Come this way. Let's go this way. Okay, pick it up. We're in LAX airport, and so I'm supposed to do videos for my YouTube, my spiritual healing channel, and my oracle readings, but since it's a special day and she's going on her first flight on an airplane, she gets to be the star. Come on, talk to the audience. What do you want to say? Tell me what you think about love. What does love mean to you?
Love is like being kind.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of making people happy.
Right. And how do you do that? How do you make people feel love, kindness, and happy? There's Adam, my son. Hi, Adam. Say hi to YouTube.
She never smiles. She only smiles when he laughs or just ignores him.
Okay, so how do you show someone that you love them? Come on, I gotta hear you clear. Look at the camera. Tell me.
Sometimes I'm shy to say it, so I just write notes.
Okay, tell me what you would write if it was your notes about love. How would you show someone that you love them? It could be from a mom, a friend, grandma.
I would send this to my friend Rebecca because she's very kind and we've been friends for a lot of days. And she was the first girl I met in my school, and we always go to the same classrooms.
Okay, so how would you tell her that you love her? What do you love about her?
I love how she makes me laugh.
Yeah?
We play together.
What do you guys laugh about?
Jokes and faces.
You're laughing
Funny
just thinking
faces.
about it, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to continue this video another day. Say bye to YouTube. Lots of love.
Because I am gonna go, but first we are gonna bye.
Okay, bye YouTube.
Bye YouTube. I'm sorry to short video. I'm sorry to short video
Hi
YouTube.
YouTube. Bye.
Bye. Sorry to short YouTube.